Viherlaaksonranta 7. Viherlaakso Espoo, staircase F. And it has time filming staircase E, but I have filmed it already a few years ago. This one also, but I have time to film it. D1988, it's 69355. Sixth floor. Four person, 325 kilograms. This also is going rectangular elevators from 60s. And staircase A to D don't have any elevators for some reason. Or they are just too close. Inspected by inspector, maintained by Schindler. These letters are going to be modernized by one lift, generic, or completely replaced. Again, and this second replacement. Quite rare that 60s editors have two replacements, fourth Atlas. Still, many 60s editors are Austrian, so this second replacement is completely needless. Sixth floor. Ground floor. That's